Yo, what's up guys? It's Karani and I just got my new 144Hz monitor. It's an AOC C24G1A 24-inch monitor. Curved 165Hz with adaptive sync. And I'm going to be using this on my Xbox Series S. And I'm going to be getting 120 FPS in Fortnite. So let's get to unboxing this. Yo, I'm super excited. Monitor. Shoot. They make the box like weird, bro. Alright. Ah, yes. Let's go. Alright, guys, this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna also be like setting it up. Ooh, look. Look at this. This is how you set it up. Ooh. Alright. See if I can just pull this out. Oh. Okay. That. Sorry, I'm not recording this good, guys, because my brother usually records this. Alright. How am I gonna pull this out? I'll be back in 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, I got the monitor out of the box now. Look how clean it looks. Let's go. Yes, sir. 165 hertz. Yes, sir. 1 ms. You know that good non-input delay. Alright, bet. Let me just set the camera. Alright, guys. So we got the monitor right here. Yup. Let's go. Got the monitor right here. Okay. So we're gonna be setting it up too. Testing it. Alright, so we got the monitor here. Bro, I'm telling you guys, that looks so nice, bro. It looks so nice. See this? This is the monitor stand. Or like, not the stand, but like, actually I don't know what they're called. Hold up, I need the trusty old scissors. Let me go get them real quick. Oh yeah. And boys, we got the trusty scissors, you know. I don't even think I need them. Oh yeah, they put so much tape on everything, bro. When I watched the unboxing on this on YouTube, bro, there was not this much tape. Let's go, guys. I set up the monitor. It's looking super clean right now. Super glad that I got this. We're gonna have to just, we're gonna have to try it out, see if it's nice, Cables, and then let me show the back of it, and then on the video. And guys, the next video is gonna be me like testing out the 120 hertz and stuff. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Let's go, boy. looking clean. Clean. And I'll also give a review on it too in that video. But it's kind of hard to record on Xbox because you only can clip things. So yeah, but you know, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And yeah, peace. Bye, guys.